love my channel. I am Play.
Okay. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be joining the Spring DIY Challenge. It is hosted by Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi. Today I'm going to be doing a few different DIYs. I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree, maybe a little bit of Walmart stuff, trash to treasure. I love thrift shopping. A lot of my videos on this channel are trash to treasure. They are also Dollar Tree DIYs, and I love doing farmhouse decor. Let's just jump right in to the Spring DIY Challenge. So for my first Spring DIY, I'm going to be using some thrifted items throughout this whole entire video. I absolutely love thrifting and doing trash or treasure videos. This is just a little crate or like a toolbox I found at a garage sale. It was $2 and I just took the greenery off. I ended up taking the stars and the hearts off the side, and then I did have to sand it down a little bit so everything was nice and smooth. And then I'm just taking some Waverly chalk paint in white, and I am just doing 2 coats of this white paint. I did not want to distress or anything because I did not want the blues or the reds to come back through. So yeah, so I just did 2 coats of this, and that covered it really, really well. Then I just grabbed this wooden sign from the Dollar Tree. I love their craft aisle. There is so many fun ideas you can get down there, and I love just all the wooden pieces. I just used some jet black acrylic paint by Apple Barrel and just painted this sign black. And then I used my silhouette so I could just make a little saying on here. It's just going to say fresh flowers, and I'm just smoothing it out so I can take the transfer paper off. I'm using this Waverly chalk paint in lavender, and I am just going to be going over this. I kind of made a stencil, and then I'm going to be peeling this right off. I definitely need to invest in some transfer paper or some kind of vinyl that doesn't just peel the paint right off. I don't know if I need to seal beforehand. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have a Cricut or a Silhouette, what you do if you make stencils or peel things off of paint. I didn't mind that it actually peeled some of the paint off. I thought it looked a little distressed, so I actually really, really liked that. And then I just waited for it to dry, and then I just went back over and got all the extra little pieces out of there that I did not need. Now I just have one of these little foam, my gosh, what do I even call these? Foam rectangles for floral foam rectangles. I don't know. Well, we all know what they are. It's fine. I'm just actually using these flowers. I've had these for probably 2 years, I want to say, and I'm just reusing them. These were from Dollar Tree, and I did not glue the foam piece down because I never know what I want to do with things, and I do not want to have a bigger, larger hassle of having to rip things apart because I love reusing items and making things look different without having to spend more money because, like I said, I just reuse all these flowers. So this all technically cost me $3 because the dollar sign and then $2 for the little toolbox crate. I think this is so cute. I love these colors for spring. I'm kind of going with these like pink and purple vibes. I don't know. It's just really, I don't know. It's really eye-catching to me, I guess. So I love it. Absolutely think this is so stinking cute. And then if you want to change out the flowers for every season, you can definitely do that. And you're saving even more money because you're just reusing items. You don't want fresh flowers on there? Turn that little bad boy around. It's awesome. So this vase, this was $1.09 from Goodwill. And I mean, it's good. It's nice. It's a nice little ceramic piece. It's just not really my color, not really what I wanted. Taking my Waverly chalk paint in white and going over this entire thing. And then I'm going to go back in, and then I'm going to be adding different colors. I was debating on keeping this all white, but then when I was painting it, they had like the flowers and the leaves and stuff show through because obviously there was like, they were kind of poking out and there was like divots in it. And yeah, I'm just using these light colors with Waverly chalk paint, the ballet slipper, celery, and we have lavender. I love these colors. I've been using these so much lately. Absolutely love them. Yeah, and then I'm just painting the flowers, the leaves, and I'm just kind of just giving it a little bit of spring touch. And then 2 hours after I was finished painting, I just grabbed these florals from Dollar Tree and I just put a huge batch in. I didn't realize there was a piece of burlap just like hanging off of it until like the next day. And I said, it's fine. You can barely see it in the video, but if you do go back, you can see just like a tiny piece of burlap just hanging. It was kind of annoying, but I just left it in there because it happens. But I think this is cute. I'm not sure I'm like loving that I painted the vase. I feel like maybe I should have just left it all white. I don't know, maybe some twine wrapped around the top. Let me know in the comments below. I just think this is more spring. It's not just white because like I said, you do see the flowers and the leaves through it. So I don't know, but you guys, I'm loving these Dollar Tree florals. They're like the soft, I don't even know what we want to call them. I love them. Super cute. Dollar Tree wreath form and some burlap, this welcome sign, and some of these Dollar Tree, I don't know what you want to call them, little balls. I don't know, they're in the spring. My store doesn't have a ton of spring, and the little welcome sign that I'm be using is actually off of a tobacco basket I thrifted. So like I said, I love using Dollar Tree items and thrift store items because Dollar Tree has some really cute like wooden florals, succulents, like stuff like that I really, really like. But I love going to the thrift store and buying like higher end pieces for way cheap because you can get, you know, you can get frames, you can get larger wreaths, you can get a ton of stuff for super cheap. Presley is always around helping me. I wasn't sure what kind of florals I wanted to do with this, so I kind of just started putting things on and taking things off. I was just going with it, but I did like these little balls. I got the blue ones and the yellow ones, so if you're from Michigan, go Michigan. Not really, I'm a Michigan State fan, but that's kind of the vibe it was giving me while I was doing this, and I was like, oh no, this is awful, but nothing wrong with being a Michigan fan. We all just have our, you know, your rivals. You have to choose when you're in Michigan which team you like, and we just go with state. So, yeah. And then I had this lavender. This is from a different DIY, I think from last year, and I just ripped everything. You guys, I just love reusing items. It's like the cheapest thing you could possibly do. If you don't like something, don't donate it, don't throw it away unless you really know that you do not want it, you're never going to use it. Because I cut all these pieces down and then I was like, what am I going to do with these? I'm not sure. Maybe I can put them in a wreath. Well, here we go, because I am loving this purple color. I love purple right now. I'm not a purple person, but this is what it looks like when it's done. I love it. I think it's super pretty. And yeah, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And I will leave a playlist in the description box below of everybody's spring DIY, since this is a spring DIY challenge. Yeah, so thank you, Heidi, for hosting another one of your awesome DIY challenges. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye!